What's up, guys? It's NoyTebs here. So again, today we're going to unbox this Secrid wallet. And again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I have a new video uploaded on my channel. Let's get started. So there you go, guys. So I have here a set of a Secrid wallet, and I just bought this one in Paris. And again, we're gonna unbox this one here. I really like this one because you know, it's so handy, and it's a really nice one. I was so attracted this way. But again, I have three here. So again, we're going to unbox this one. So the first one we're going to unbox is where you're gonna put your your cards. Okay, so your cards gonna be here, and then I have here where your cards is, and then the other one here is the strap. This one. So again, these three are different prices. Okay, it's not a bundle, but it's a different price. So one thing, it's really like this one because you can put up to 6 cards in this one here, and you know, there's no the RFID of this one here. It doesn't recognize. If you have your cards here and you're gonna tap it, it doesn't recognize that way. So again, and there's another one here. You can put at least I think 6 cards, I think, for this. And the good thing for this one here is that you have extra, and you can put your money in. You can put your money in your cards. So that's the other thing. So I got a sample of cards here. I'll just use this one as a sample. And then actually I have only 2 here. I don't want to show my credit card, you know, for privacy thing. So again, if you want, doesn't go, the card is just inside. Okay, but again, if you're gonna press it here, the bottom, it will pop out. There you go, it will pop out right away. Close it and then pop out. But if you're going to do it that way, it doesn't move. But if you're going to click this, release, and it will come out. So this is a good one. So again, I'm gonna use this card again to put here, and then you can put, like for example, you have a cash, you can put it here, and then you have this, and then put it that way, and it will lock here on the top. It doesn't go up farther, it will stop. Okay, so that's the other thing. And then you have the strap, and then you can use that one. It's really strong, and it doesn't go that way. You want to go that way, it doesn't. Just a little bit, but again, it's really good one. And so again, this is a nice one because this is an RF this one doesn't scan on any machine. You're gonna tap it, doesn't work that way. So that's a good thing. And again, if you need something, if you need some cards that you're going to get a cards on that one, so you can have an extra card here, so you can at least have another 6 here on this part, and then you can put another 6 on this red one. Put it that way, doesn't matter if it's arranged or not. So that one, and then if you're gonna go to the store, click that one and which card you want to get. So it will show up that way, and then put it back. Oops. Put it back, then click again. So that's the other thing here, guys. It's very beautiful. It's very awesome. I like this one. And again, you know, it's a nice one. But if you wanna put it in your wallet, you can put your driver's license if you want. It's really good one. So that's the nice thing for this, you know. And we can try to put another cards here. So you're gonna go to the store and you're going to pop this one. Beautiful. Beauty. So you can put that one in and then do that one. Which card you want, then it will pop up. That's it. Yeah, nice one. So, but again, you can buy this one online if you want to, and it's a really good one. And you know, if you are planning to get this, it's really hard one. It's really aluminum, so thick, the aluminum, and again, it's really nice. Go over here, and then put the one in. Put the strap. It's really strong, the strap. That's another thing for this. So that's the one. So there's lots of design for this if you want to, and then you can get it online or something. So you can get it's a really nice one. So actually, I really like it. I want to use this one, but again, you can use this if you want. Oh, they have a stopper over here too, so it will stop really, not the bottom, but here on the side. It will stop your card. You know, it's on the side, not this part here, but this side. Really good. So it doesn't move, doesn't go really. So, but again, I think this is about, for total of this, it's about 76 Canadian, I think. So yeah, because it's $34. The other one, I got here the receipt. So just the strap for that one, I think it's $10. And then yeah, it's $10 the strap, $34 for the $34 just this case here, and then this one is about $36, the red one. So again, it's a really good one. If you want to try, then I know that there's lots of videos of this kind of a product, so you can take a look, and if you really like it, then get it. You know, it's a really nice one. I like it so far. For me, I like it, and I'm gonna use this daily instead of using a regular wallet. So yeah, that's good. So again, thank you guys for watching, and if you want more videos here in my channel, I have lots of unboxing and you can watch. And if you're not yet subscribing, please do subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I have a new video uploaded on this channel. And again, yeah, I have unbox here, and then if you want to see, I'll try to put this in the link below. You can buy it online or Amazon. So again, it's a really good one. So again, thank you guys for watching. This is NoyTebs. God bless and have a wonderful day.